Unleash the power of frozen moments and dynamic perspectives to make your creations truly unforgettable. Welcome to Higgsfield AI, where we're about to dive into the exhilarating world of bullet time effects. First, let's find our action sequence, load your desired scene, and locate the primary action you want to highlight. The key to bullet time is controlling time itself within Higgsfield AI. You'll find intuitive controls to dramatically slow down your playback. Now, for the magic while time is slowed, you can reposition your camera with incredible freedom. Experiment with new angles, getting closer to capture every detail, or pulling back for a grander view. Think of it like building a virtual camera rig around your subject in that precise, frozen moment. Don't be afraid to play with subtle variations. A slight acceleration after the peak of the action can add a natural flow and impact. This technique is perfect for emphasizing impactful moments, showcasing intricate choreography, or simply creating breathtaking visual presentations. With Higgsfield AI and the art of bullet time, you can transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary visual narratives that will captivate your audience.